Looks blocks. Looks blocks are purple in color and let you modify the sprite's costumes and colors. The looks blocks display text within pop-up bubbles. Blocks functions. Say hello for 2 seconds. This block displays a speech bubble of the sprite for a specified amount of time. Say hello. This block displays a speech bubble of the sprite. Think for 2 seconds. This block gives the sprite a thought bubble with the desired text which stays for a specified number of seconds. Think This block gives the sprite a thought bubble with the desired text. Switch costume to. This block changes the appearance of the sprite by switching its costume. Next costume. This block changes the costume of the sprite to the next costume in the costume list. Change size by 10. This block changes the size of the sprite by the desired proportion. Set size by 100%. This block sets the size of the sprite to a specified percentage of the original size. Change color effect by 25. This block changes the visual effect applied to the sprite by the specified amount. Set color effect to 0. This block sets the visual effect to a specified number. Show or hide. If the block's sprite is hidden, it will show the sprite. If the block's sprite is visible, it will hide the sprite. If the sprite is already visible or hidden, nothing will change.